for ne eye fiada October bosomede toso eye dungo choke kaniamesi ania aka nefu mako adunum 50 days pepe peneke se bosomene fa na Ghana for ebobo ho ne akwakoto ba akwako imampani a mfie na ye we animu obe hihye ama o yafa ne ya pese ene na degidon papa bi afra na biem so ya to obe yemrase begyafo nsamo a eko chiko brema ko batani etwa kre nke o mamuni amanfo nkro so a ejamon petrepene mpatra pamaji atum ne yakeke nia ewia enefie ye bane edi ababesom ensam doso na poso enie sezedie edom kuma no a kane no ye dom kese no MPP fo no akantama densi awiabo aguso se enkosi so mbekọ court ama court asesa de enra Speaker of Parliament ye no omu nsimra sebegefie mu no mpone mpese wonoma akwa adwuma
Ora Alexander Fanyoma candidate tuja was enra the ruling no Speaker of Parliament ma ye no wafom kwan yi
ya tesemra ntane mapa wo amanfi central abaton peso aso ato ema maso adaya omse electoral commission impeding funds so madwene amfa ma medwara kudwo na nsa ma no man sikrumo no mo se abato odare kra no mo ba mo mato aba
andis yamanyoko no so dia ba wase nyame ya dom no mbatena konya so a God for oil share no abande ba ye no womba no ye hu bibi
Professor Jena no poku agman so so yetu apam de mendisi amanyoko ne mampani da John Dramani mama wo bontoa no se ndisi amanyoko ani so ade hunu no dende nso amanfo emwa wudum
Asen South Marshall Johnny so about for ya one maba so ye papa I were to watch out do be a one my hu
Absafo weni afufuro pinu an yakeke se ne se kase abia wo bia na wie ye ba ne de aba besom wo ye mfaseda emma enyumeku akese
21st clinic where sciatica expert Mizone 5G OCP Ghana Limited water fertilizers papa by cloud internet the fastest internet in the world express group with the wood to kwine through a harbor center at the 3 core capsules and so tayachi I am around for liberty conference nyame adma October yaba super live imo pro service and so wade wo to kwan China memo ni nyimekwa wo dro kodi nkomo na Sompa chade no yekoso abom kai se yeguso ayagio afedia so yebeche were nyimekwa wo dro won madmo so yasne dam live e wo Facebook na fe YouTube akenkan formerty ankan na wiei efiadai ayemme akosia age wokode boaten mene
nana ya bo amalibi aboga
ensemi
abzafo yen shaka sena semfemfre o my Ghana yemra sebegefiem na fe yen former encommon penny da John Dramani Mahama na tena ye eyemonimu samenra de si ewe yemra sebegefiem wonu wabra na akwakwa manso deda yemra tamale South mra sebegeni yera haruna ditu di kaiti ansemtwefo na so se ade bia si o mayemu a se Nyankopon ya dom na ketremada bodwe moje die mafusa ne ntete nkabone bia yemra sebegafo ni from akwa ekwa djuma ekoye adwuma o mrasebe gefie mu a onbehwe se mrabe ye adwuma se NPP mrasebe gafo binom ene NDC mrasebe gafo binom ayo madwene se onbese se omonsa no ma akose kontenkure no onbehwe se mrabe ye adwuma ne mra na ekoye adwuma no na je se be kwati MPP fo ema MPP fo mukuta dom kese no dom kese ne be firi omonsa ababede NDC fo entem ene ejebu emfa ho ne ne sasabro ayabro akoto dwanyina akire no abro abomode ye brabra mu a enra mrasoja fora setena mu no saa semi ekukuru de baye na edika kukukuru abai emomu de onkomo ema mrasoja fiem chia mehene right honorable Urban Kings Osman Ababin etu asem ne kose enra eno de nanu yie ebeba bebu asem enra bo bu asem ne kesa akwatia MPP fo a sese MPP fo a na nkedim so me yedom kese o mrasoja fiem no wo maba be yedom kuma ema NDC fo mum ana ababe ye eye edom kese ewo mrase gefie mfisende NDC MPs na bedoso achen MPP fo no efze MPP fo miensamu a na sesei womo ekose kontenkro ewo afi abato no basa no a na gese atomra akwakotia mra na NDC ni bako esoso na eko se kontenkro a wono soso na basa no atomra etia mra ntia basa na gese NDC fo no ababeka 136 na MPP fo no ababeka 134 na gese NDC fo na ababedoso de achen eye MPP fo no na ebasa no sabre no a na Speaker of Parliament ebu asem no na mampani da John Dramani mama so no ye campaign e won krapompo mantem mo eye kon katamanso abaton pesia so na ehwa na eja ne dom ne nkrofo na di nachi no eresegu na so say dia bani o say dia ba no enyankoto kra NDC fo ya je Parliament ya boso e no se Ghana fo ne mu nso mu abana mo nkoto ye krade abanie na gese ne mu nwiade ne preko wabra ya afia bato no moturu bum de ama NDC amanyuko ne yenkote mampani dada John Dramani Mahama wo sebo ene ne nsomode tu dwamra ye ka kire no said yesi omra se ogefiem no
if the report I am hearing from Parliament is true, then something historic has just happened. The report I am hearing is that the Speaker has declared 4 seats vacant. Of the 4 seats, 3 are from the MPP and 1 is from the NDC. So if those seats have been declared vacant, then it means in the life of one parliament, the minority has turned to the majority and the majority has turned to the minority. So for me, God is even showing a sign of what is going to happen. Because even before we have cast one single ballot, the NDC has become the majority. But we have to make it a reality on 7th December 2024.
I was on for him, Danny Ranwan, Sen woman, Pedida, John Dramani Mahama, Yetin, and Kawayamra. I guess an Ajonua, no Mabonaman, yet the Sim Rasil, Fim Honomo, and all the Sansami, Etuja, or Kun Cataman Sabaton, Persuaso, and Crapumpuni, Mantam.
Now, I'm not Dialas and Dafanyoma, Canaya, no, Dom Cassian Bano Denny, and Rano Comrasoja Fian, one another yet Dom Cassian Bano Denny and Cassa. Edra we are Speaker of Parliament. I don't know some two very na say wababa minority leader na sem ni mu akwa ya pa. Aka obi amena one my friend central phone shemu. Ni nyina no ya NPP amanyoko ye wo mrahye odwafie ya NPC no. Wo na friend central phone kasa ya. Ye Alexander afanyoma ka na wodi one money mu kasa e kire se nyame anim nie. Speaker of Parliament wan fa hyehyɛ ya. Edam mrahye odwafie na ya adwuma. Asa bibia mu no wonim ne wo pere ne de wo hwehwe nti. Prepare honko a na ode ye adwuma ewi akire de ase na ase omraso de fie no na won mo kama ma centralfo so aso ate se wo montoma no Ghana fo nyina sanse se no speaker de ye adwuma no wo fom kwan.
So they don't believe in democracy. They want chaos because they want an opportunity to come back to fest on us their incompetence. We know how they never believed in the free SHS policy. How they never believed in the free SHS policy. How they don't even have a single social intervention program standing in their name. These are the people who want to create chaos and use that as an opportunity to come back to power. I want to tell every single Ghanaian listening to me today that NDC has nothing new. In fact, upon launching their manifesto, it was clear that they had nothing new to offer. They claim a so-called 24-hour economy. But if you even ask them to explain, they get upset and angry. They can't even point to a particular thing they mean by 24-hour economy. I know that MPP hasn't been perfect and MPP cannot be perfect. But I believe in the dreams and the vision of Dr. Bawumia. I believe in the new vision of digitalizing our economy to create opportunity for our Ghanaian youth. On every aspect of the economy, we have done far better than we came to meet it.
I was on your turn and Kay, I on Monyan for Alexander for your market, no one nay. Yabakan saw a former majority leader.
I was for Ansua, Honorable Alexander Fenyomake Network, and Semno so editu gaso mo MPP for the day. Omanya cantamadin, Sia Buaguso, a quarter from Abacha say, DC Parliament and Romunin to Muno, or more engine to Benunti, and nobody asked them Nakwada or my Ghana court about time, Supreme Court or Moshe anymore, Sakot on the better answer, no so Nadienra, Speaker of Parliament, and Wabotuogu. Because it's a court to be for us, no, na court to abas, na to a no, Parliament will munsi one is what Nanko Jeshi on Raswiji Fimo.
The rates to do the bidding of the NDC is so clear But we believe in the law. We, as the majority caucus, immediately are boycotting Parliament until this matter is determined by the Supreme Court. The Speaker has no right to interpret the Constitution, and it is so clear that what he did was to give advantage to the NDC and do the bidding. We are not going to go further to litigate. We have a process at the court. We'll follow it up. If the court makes a pronouncement, we'll respect the orders of the court. But because we believe that the issues we have raised are issues for interpretation.
For way Honorable Alexander Fenyomakin or ye Mrasibigeni or Mrasibig Fima this year foot about on Persia. So say so Yakaso a minority leader, so a majority leader. Nanuya Nayajini debriefing in Samoa. Since Rebecca is a minority in Dom Kumano on the Dow Manuchi or Manu Mrasibig Film. As I said, Diana Dano Mrasibig Film, Yasam Ketwakra be any abede. Yerakati Hamondo. One on a swear for your short judge any for you on some so. One in some trough for Casabra, Speaker of Parliament. One in some two jar our massage of fury here. And your racketium on debate away as a jam city be no more papa so we are no more when I as a who yada come home. Now one more MP before the and yet who way and a bayer one who weren't to me more on my bamboo that sounds so winning the apam say for it to me and to work like a hobby one baby gentleman pa.
Same way the interpretation. Constitution is a baby interpretation in the Supreme Court na kan wanza. Ya kasa ade we say no ya the majority leader when ya the grata na come Supreme Court. Man time kakra ma wo Supreme Court time kakra na wo decide ade we say that ya ba ya beka wo so wo dwene ho akwata na bi wa frefre wo ndc fo awuni mo obo no kekre ma twatwa nyoma obegina kan mu ya sesema ode aba ba ko na ekoro wo mu huri ye wo say majority ya yi Ghana fo ato aba ma ye majority me ya betra dem ha ya betra dem ha sia e da wo say ma ye minority wo kwoti sa asem bu we fa ba ben di asem ba ma mu ha wo de bi aba ne no wo say one president extending orders president na no kan what I want to present order bia stand orders no one the ultimate interpreter constitution no ya say bibia ye law ye constitution dan kasa about interpretation bia ya Supreme Court na kan you on na kan wa ha wo say answer say obi change na oso okoye independent say ya just what declare na yi ya nyina lawyer for obi awa na adwene eti na court ne constitution na ahyemra say sa den say dey ba lawyer for bebre na say bebre kan no ma be ka ho another for ne nketo o mo ba o nyina lawyer for mo kuro ba obi awa na adwene nko ebi se da bi adon ya sa na ase kire o de ba kworo abatena parliament ya say watena ha wa say parliament we say dey many problem me MPP ni ba kuna me beto aba na me ba be ye no ba kuna e beto December na ye ba January 2025 no ade de ba me mba MPP bio mako independent na asma wo kan no sa ne wo constitution no ya sa ne ti ase no say enne ye ma sorry say enne no enne ye ma jai MPP ba twab aha say many MPP won tena bio me ko independent kwa tena independent side then constitution no wo bite eno na ye ti ase no where I was that's why na wo kan onya nduru ho wo say ye friends obi aka bibi also the President Magoke can be last year. What I was say, and you're buying a gazette, and you're by force, and get your nine on and one no, so can the same thing. So what I got a disaster or can open car we say now, and yeah, no. Yes, say, yes, Sabah on the side of President Magoke or can not.
I was away a rocket yamon, no way I saw for sure Jodi. Ani frijumaso enye honorable Keti Amodonko na wasre na dwene ede afasa eye ginesie ya Speaker of Parliament esi ho bandam rasbe dwene eye honorable Ahmed Ibrahim ojina chese wo rasbe gefima NDC amanyuku no ene adehye wo banda abato mpeso so na honorable Ahmed Ibrahim kire se bebi ya ba bedru no NPP fo no mo mfa fere ye nto nchen we du omani ewu fere no ma fere ye no mo nyintum se wo mawe rasbe gefima no mo no mo nya brewe metno omo ndisi fo no baby omo tie no na eja omo ndisi fo no mo nse dan huru omo kese no mo mo wonum na djuma na kakra na aka no omo nye emfa emfri wo no mo ore san sami to jawa bra na nsempefo yebusa ndisi fo no so sa ginesie ya enra Speaker of Parliament si omo nsusuye ene omo timo pone sene omo esi somo fa no fi se baby omo ba bedro no emra no a na speaker de ye djuma nra no
if he leads the party based upon which he came to parliament at the time of his election into that parliament. So at the time of Kojo Asante's election to Parliament of Ghana, he was MPP member. And therefore he must remain MPP member until 6 January 2025. At the time, Apia as Andiasiama, MPP, an independent member for Formina, was filing his nomination to come to Parliament in 2021. He came as an independent member for Formina, and therefore within a 4-year mandate, his status must not change. Have their status changed or not? It has changed. And the speaker says that that article was put into the constitution to be able to protect the loyalty of the members of parliament to their constituent. So if you have come and you have changed your loyalty, should they still allow you to be there? So clearly, we don't need to belabor this. And I don't think even a Professor Wayoseni got it wrong. And you don't need a professor to tell you this. It's as clear as that. So I don't think the speaker got it wrong. The political parties, if not politics that they are doing, are aware of the consequences. And that is why they always defer primaries in those constituencies that they are massaging. If not, why is it that in January they didn't open nominations in Formina? Why is it that in 2012 MPP didn't open nomination in 2010 at Bepai? They always wait to beat the constitutional 6 months constitutional period where there can be no by-election. Can you imagine if this had happened in January and we went for by-election in Formina? Can you imagine what would happen? This is what they were dodging. Why were they dodging it? So we must not take it as if it is the speaker.
Observe for ye NDC Mraswe Jenny or Mraswe Fima this year Banda Baton Persuaso or Bonomantem Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim and Yetenin King.
Can I pany power no what Ghana School of Law no a rock or quan sassary? Sassam Korea no nano tumbi Cheremosasa or Shamopanoa. And a power one watch us said nay young people before Tabra 7 the court Supreme Court and the court to bet to me at Dania 7 near Diano. Was so come Rasho the fear woman qua one shaya, one would you media, one mukura, one metashua. One must say one more send you must be numranis bifa. It is another one major Samara Crono so. Now what did you ma? At 1 year, says speaker, and I said, Supreme Court. I wrote me a general Sam Rebiso, no one can say what Dania Samuel, Speaker of Parliament, at the 2 General Dano.
Media, your Parliament, you know. And the Bangladesh is a Mumra, or quite on the Faso, every one. One better every other musician, a honor court in Parliament. The Moka Samute, again, to be in TV. If you honor to no court to me in Congo, Fifi, no say, Namoka Casano, then Anamoka. Sana Parliament, and to a baby, no one say, to be better, say. Parliament is offered the Supreme Court, now Supreme Court at the time. And one man Supreme Court, which me up the mayor, Parliament, actually, and Milano. Now, so man, Chair Milano, when you want to have the same idea, and the entry first will be a more. The Parliament, I own, she said. Now, let me say. Share council Parliament see what the now political parties political parties loyalty and my constitution, my own family say MPP and I MPP. Not of mine, never improve about mine. I mean, it's a party. What's the money? Now, what I say, what you say now, the Kaiser, I buy the book,
na eno no ana Sompa kase ne mrasojania wo weska doketa abato ampeso aso kasa ye yero jogati wono so de okanyi
of the Parliament shall determine its procedure. 110, 1101 subject the provision of the Constitution, Parliament may by standing orders regulate its own procedure. Until their Parliament, they are a new standing order. A standing orders or chair a corner order in the Parliament and say, oh yeah, a penalty or a penalty. None of us was about to speak a minimum. Was prepared as a statement. A statement or a draft figure to me. Not to the football rules. A player 18 for one side as I say. The same way, keeper only a player for 11 or more team of necessity. A corner offered was over Parliament. On your address speaker ultimate rule. On your senior speaker to president or maybe the state of nation address. Also a speaker more will know the state of nation address. So that's some president. I think down our Parliament speaker the call of the paper procedure or a law. Secondly, ever substance of the matter, only simple Article 97.1 or chair a corner member of Parliament only to lose seats. Ever more care was a member of Parliament shall locate his seat in Parliament if he leaves the party of which he was a member at the time of election to Parliament to join another party or seeks to remain in Parliament as an independent member. So what's the next? It's the party.
I was away of Russia, Virginia, or West Cadocita, but on person, so you're a jogati and yet any. I was ourselves in Wabeka and why ye come with Sompa television, ye are prem to bre, Ecasian, baby, I will be no, was so good so witty, and it's Otienka, or Bononia for Mantem no more, Sompa 98.9 FM, so and a witty. So Bono Istia, Sompa 90.7 FM, no, and as I was Santa Manta Mosoa, Sompa 93.1 FM, so Ekuta Yemu, I was Yantuan some. So mama yemfamo film rasebe gefiem na yemfamo enkwa Memphis Central abaton peso so ato e mantem no mo na mo e manimusam de akoso he manso yo mo twe ne parliament nyina sa asemi kura so eka ho bi ne nyina eyese na no ada na abato komisar mpedem for the krata abetu dwase oba pani a ende si amanyoku ayi no se omprem rasebe dwa akonya no ema wo no mo Memphis Central abaton peso so no omo fi se fi aneke kawa wo no ho a so mo electoral commission mpedem for agidi tum ema ni jinama ndisi amanyoku no a emwa ema nipa bi kura no e de asemi ya court a enam so ma court atwro krata akoma electoral commission mpedemfo nti electoral commission mpedemfo e de krata ba bonten ebe ne se ma me no ma twede gina nchen ansa won kono nko kana sem no wo court so ka na agya ne huso nsa abroba won fan krata ma electoral commission mpedemfo be gino ama no asaso aba be pre eye mrase djuma kunya no ebiewu na eno na si ye ne mo kase emranta ne ma ba wa bia wonum ewo wasa amanfi ene ne mpotamu womo asori a womo ko ho ntintiri nya asem keto womo de warning electoral commission for no se so mo mpere no a enne ne kire ye womo nse so ma dwene na maame no a wo gina de amandisi for wa Memphis Central abaton peso yaso no womo nsa mfa ne mawura mu bio na ome premier ya akonya na nye sa de a when electoral commission mpedemfo anyoma dwene safia bato no omo se so mo nkrata na mpeso ma bakrumo no mo amomato aba nye sa omo enu omo ne ma ene be pam omo afri krumo no mo mrante ne nsem omo de tudwa e wa Memphis Central abaton peso yaso ani
ase yi Jonathan afri platform it is a electoral commission at me na platform ya me NDC ni ba mapa anya aja beto abama candidate ya etimikasa kaka bekasirikate electoral commission enemu ma no omlepa ema Memphis Central because onya me MP plano nene ya wa ye ne tirese etimitu abama no ayo o awura wudi Balo was beyond this year. I don't know. Balo said the Dinua, make Cadibia, Balo was beyond this year. Balo was beyond this year. Sure, what I am to you as I would like it. Yes, Mammy, you are on the sir. Yes, one my employee. One my employee. No, Baba. Obiantumano. Now the Dibala said, yeah, you down at Mesa, Bala. Yet he said, I was saying, my unit. I don't think I had see, yeah, dear, you have a pencil. Mammy, I want the Bala slippers Baha. Now, Mammy, dear me. I'm on time. I'm on the you see, I'm here and you are question.
For way ya this year war was some feeling and potamo and yeti one muke way warning or more edema electoral commission in penning for.
And this Yaman corner dear to just good for oil shano about where the buyer. Nanka them sababwa or my Ghana. Ya found go would run a sweaty me at tetano. Was in a sujina digina. Woman who sabion for so be there was so mine idea go to Quacha fan go now so Bepem never go on a soon to mint here and my shanka phone to me in her one and I'm sorry soon telling Yamaya dom. Now and this Yaman couldn't couldn't but not on your swa. One was a good for irons shen, one bay dear free okra. Now my Ghana for you want to me in her ye. All right, Emmanuel Mako Fibua no. Ani ya John Abdullah Jinapo ana ene central focus ye ni nyina da na fa nyina mahode ya ho sane ba ye na NDC manifesto no womba kyerɛkyerɛ mu ekwan ye fa no nyina mahode so sane womba fa so womba to wɔn hyehyɛ ya fa eno na ya John Abdullah Jinapo wo fa sa kwanya no so a wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ
we are going to take it out, sit with you, and replace it with a workable solution and ensure that the forex is available for you. First of all, that gold you sell gives you forex. That forex should be escrowed. It's about prioritization. If you think that fuel is a major issue and you want to prioritize it, you will do that. But alongside, we are saying that we want to bring on board our refineries. When we bring on board our refineries finally, it means that importation of finished products will go down drastically. As importation of finished products go down drastically, you are adding value to your indigenous crude oil. In fact, what we are going to do is to review the allocations of the money that we are giving them to the Petroleum Revenue Management Act to make sure we can really focus the attention in building the capacity to make sure that GNPC will lead us in discovering oil. I think
I was so on my for John Abdullah Jinapo, Casadema and this Yamanyoko no faninam ahoden so.
Yeguswa dem when this Yamanyoko na tena ye na Professor Jena no pokwa jimani yetu apemo de men this Yamanyoko ne mampenida da John Dramani Mahama wa afia batu no mo. Na je so na eka mampenida da John Dramani Mahama wa ma apre mampeni adwa men this Yamanyoko no ewo abatu yi emu. Ori atodwa se en this Yamanyoko ani so ade hu no ene omotire mo pa wo ede for mayi hu a omo sre Ghana for se yemfatumi ma wo bio no mo emedi o mayi so no wo se edede wonim se eye tare pa na so ede se de ne a enye de ma eye Ghana for ene otwedi amponyankrompon ya wo hata mununkum achi nto basra Ghana for se December bosom de toso so abato no ene yanhwebu nkuma hwe ni fa bia nwotwe ne so a ene mfantim se be na ndisi amanyuko no se ne omo ka no ombetima be reset o man no ma o man na ejira fa akono yetimi eyi achi akọ empontumu.
You invest in hospitals and somebody tell you it's not a social intervention. I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. Because when they are sick, they also go there or they don't. The UDMC, is it just for NDC people? Why not? Has anybody said because you didn't vote for me, your child cannot go to this school? Have we heard that before? So why do we hear about you didn't vote for me, so I've taken my eyes off you? Is that governance? No. Let us all advise ourselves, especially the young people. Governance that doesn't reach everybody. Governance that doesn't target the poor. Government that doesn't build from the bottom up. We must look again. And I think we've seen enough for us to make our minds. Why are we so broke? What happened? Sometimes I wonder if some of us are really conscious of the real financial state of this country. Why are all our water bodies polluted? Why is some of portions of our land getting poisoned? What does it mean for our future? And if the rumors are true, this government is coming for A, the other is coming for B because we own them. What progress have we made as a people? What do we tell our children? So my friends, we have the option. We have the option to reset this country. It's not going to be a joke. It's not going to be a child's game. Or we either reset or we sink further.
Observe for Professor Jena no pokwa jimani yetu apemo de men this amanyuku ne mampeni da John Dramani Mahama ne yetene ke we mra no de na pro akwako piesu nyene abonte so no wo chese enye betede ne so ye yire ye ho a and this amanyuku betima ba abesesa ne ma.
Asa Central Marshal Johnny Reverend John and Tim for John so boa posifo a want a person so abasu papa say one match of mamba pass sadie and the jumadi esu na ebra no munyamfo yi wokoye na wode nneoma hodo bit say motorbikes awodo ekwakocha posifo dom a ewa asensa wote no na wo kire say enei ye kan kro anampeso a asomdue wo so pa asensa wote so ka hu bi ne nyina no ya posifo modempo ya won mo bo e won potam honom eno na aka wo bia ma eho akwakwo hia se nei won so so aposifo no asene bo wonom e ma akade a wom hia se wode bebo ban no wotumi ade ma won man yeye
ene me ni DC ene party penifo abesa mo na ya base ye ba abeye adoye kakra ade ase modwumedi amudi no kana sanse ye ne ma ya dwuma che medwuma so eso ni pa mabom ho modern abwa am asumdie de asumdie bi ewo district mu Asen South and a kind district the most peaceful central region even the whole Ghana Asen South eka ho bi ni na ejina police for matumi asori ejina afa kro some amukro na maboye aboye manfo ntimfo eho ban yerum say aban excellence na the Dr. Kufado and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the Minister for Interior and the IGP. I be brave. I will cast name, motor name, Akandia Hodwa, Ebua, the smooth delivery of police service. Now, so stations no Dawson.
And what you know, speech from Robert, one also see a district police commander, or for Saquaniano so Edasi.
I am a home with and let day Yatiden. In fact, police Jumano, our sense out one. Most of our community in our rural areas, and they are motorbike. Am I yet me? I more patrols. Several police for let me up home crossing. Nama security now here and Saka. It's regional police, Ascent South Command, divisional command, regional command, the entire police administration. Under honorable many paying for us. The mention boss said, Akadia or the Amaya saying, Fanya, Ascent South, the big Nania,
ASP Robert Chairman Lieutenant Kanawaya District Police Commander Awasen South 21st Clinic na ya kan for dia ma osekwana osiate kano won hwehwe mum fama ona won saw ya de obi won ma wotena se chane wo sori ana ne ya ugina wo chana wutu nan ya na no so akwa eboache bidin 21st chane wo so ko adokotafo no wo benya brand ya dache dia ma wo yie kuma se oba won wo hwe overseas Johnson obo ase council quarters ankran Doma Market Sunyana Kranza Tachiman Honina Woho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Sompa Chadia Ya kan for dia ma wate Yasafa wode bra na yamfa yanso yakakra ye wono nka ho yanka momoda no so a yanche amakunafo se wo Sompa won Kranza obekọ Sompa Kranza Ghana Commercial Bank dining Sunyane for beko night market hono mo ahona Sompa Sunyane wo ana Kumase Morban Room Hotel enche wono mo pe wona Sompa Kumase de no ewo se yesika so afese ya homa iso 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 Edini Yatawan Media Anasa Blessed Foster Imu Pro Service ana de wotu kwan ayana so dwumadi o yakwa China memuton ye ni nwumaku akase akuku dam na ekohia na ayade nkomo eti koba no sa na wonya experience no wobeje wo mo number da wohia no yoma bia no ansa wo kra ne sei ya aye China ne yekọ aye ahye ne nso wo ticket bebia wo beda woduane a wo bedie meetings ahodo ebekọ ene hu sikasam nyina no aye $2,499 pe wuntu ahwe biem kopem se yebekọ aba wo penchemu bia afre ye wachemata mo ho no a 0244 924573 0244 924573 Liberty Conference Yekwo Jubilee Park 26 October nyame yadomwa na watchofo ye besimuo no na ho asem ne yeken 26 October brabi wate wo man ne yodobu ache wono na gina mo se nyame akwa wato nsade afra jontofo bebre George J kan wo bi minister SK Frimpong na minister Kwame Jedu cloud internet papa fie ne ho open Wi-Fi CCTV camera digital security locks web hosting air cloud top high One Love FM din hwani mu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 Express Group niye Express de wo tu kwan wasa Canada US UK Australia New Zealand Holland and be bia ya opeso okobia no Express na do be kwa ma ho to se wokoya adwuma okosua de holidays bi to bi anasa chase bibia Express de wo kwasafo labor runabout Kumasi de no nkran Kaneshi First Light 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448 OCP Ghana Limited where the fertilizers aba ebuakua for pa ono ba no so de agu ase no wano ebeso doso na OCP say wo NPK 15 wo 10 2010 and wo TSP 0555 909-437 0555 909-437 through Herbal Center Koko Masitedro 3 capsules no dia basisia dia koko afia yem team kwala na kedane Herbal Misty apedank 0546 107 107 05 46 107 107 Mizo and 5G and so can hobi yenyina wasore na hotel emrasisia
First clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agi atum
Hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina mebeko men krata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otu adidi musa no
Oh Express Group adarmenti akwa going to IF4. Opesa otu kwan kosiandia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Soa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am person mo tu kwan koye jumanso. Obet me do wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a kwai wo Kumasi as a labor runabout hwa. Accra and so omo Carnation First Light. Tema omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more Ahumacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
One pill, what that's funny. On my ear, we do watch. When you're near court, really free. On a miss so young, what you need the free. What to study for talks. At this, so when you're group, what do man come? One more appoint 26 October. I'm no one who that a jubilee. Adding to phone in here, Minister SK from Pump. Yamani Georgie J. Residence worship Minister Kwame Jitu. Or to study a free will be a dark sepra. Now, console be a dear boo. When you're group portrait and pump. What a funny body. So now what's we were free. What if for you see a trip? Me, what you know, dead down. What bron some pill, one pill, what best sunny. This sounds so yummy abasa.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Abzan for esaso so mama kwa ba bi oba Sompa television ye wi aprem to breka sie eso ye nto ansam no so mama na ye fomo enkonsam fufrum sie ne mo kasa ya tete se rasa me jamfi a wona hwene amansa din komama ndesi amanyuku no wo mayimo ene irake selato ba force na tiesim e wo tepa adujama mankranso ye wa santimantama se ya wona mo ekwakọ bontoa akoton wandesi amanyuku ni mampeni da John Dramani mama wo mo etirimu po ene wo suye ede ama de hye won potemu honomo na omuduru honomo soso no ene akadia ebeboa ama amanfo asetenum tituru ne wo mo a wo ma hyase yesuesu enwuma kutakuta nsano nwuma no wo ma dwuma ye besi piesi tade ama wunum no wo mo de bi ekwakodum wunum na opani a won ne amansa din komamendi si amanyuku no e wa afa no South East abaton pesua so Emmanuel Kobitumfo ene amansa din komo anamuntu a same gemfini Dr. Kisalato ba force wo mutu yi ho
on a communication officer, Dr. Lawyer Sabigan. Have a staff, one is our visitor there. Now, many of my fire to manage I'm focused on one side, if it says, John Dramani, Say pie or ma, I am more words and human, if you seven daily, no, or by no one of the place, United to Propagate will be out of the Amawamo. Senator, I will be out or so. Or more yet see at the pound for carpenter for this woman. I got a woman, and she can before you back.
Observe young Kwamano so na baby or monam sisi yenua Ebenezer Uswansa encoding come Eben Mahai.
Bejo Sumini Abuama.
Bombing come sisi Sami Genfini Dr. Kesela to my force and Omadu Papa and I did Neko.
Meda said the wedding car Ede Asamlo Afidano. Sisi Amano Case and a Dr. Atuba Forcing and this old Samigency. Womo eyo mutaka yetwa for akwata bronum na alapano a babe piemu hateno and sembe na no munya for Samigency tuza o tese so wo share Ghana ankata tesia mero kasena Ghana tesia pansampa ni na ko ba se Ghana enyoma bebre na na amanyeku MPP ni ababa beye amatini abo Ghana from part se enya semketwa no ne kasem no di tuja chemu se wo share Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia one gasa no presidential candidate or no Sophia to Obama no who's a papa na gasa no when you get to yes serious bakokra say papa ko jina simple so no gasa or the Sicilian kwan or the gasa and you get to nika bibi papa bia to Ghana for so e ma Ghana for etimi enya woda so enya awehemu say wo mu betimi afo aba adiama MPP amanyoko ndiem na wo hwe edit amanyoko na o mu wo sese pa wo mu de baba bua ma maburu etime Ghana so o kasa do to sikire mu say na wo hwe enyama wo mu de go akwama o mba be yama ensaruduma fo a enyama bebre ebi ti se eteyefo twitafo ede science aruduma nyina no e ya de say o mu be bo mu tumi kete so mu tie dwuma so metumi eja tukwan akọ amanone ama baba bua wo mu ama wo so asesem etime biye na wo de na no chiye no e na onimnyamfo atoba afọ sigina simpie so o kata no e na o say ahometi samba akofra wo no anga so wo de ba ya wo baba be guru wo Ghana ha say wo hwe sanitary pad e kane na do ma ba so no de ya de say wo mu to sanitary pad tu Ghana city e wi atire ende no ya to sanitary pad ma ko say ba ko no e check never say 30 cities I don't say Ghana and Catano e ya de say je timi akoye ti pa ye e te ya de say wo mo to ma e fama onumunya for John Dramani Mahama na o wi ni kata kura no e ya de say wo di choose that kire mu say for no Southeast na Catano and this amanyo kwa baba be di every amanyo kwa baba be di for no Southeast for Ezra Mapa so 28 solid years wo metina baba di so e wa ha no e ya de say wo mo aban yi saba asukwe 8 solid years ni a wo mo betra so no toilet be se ba kura no wo mo dimi nwie ya no say for no Southeast for no e fama ND amanyo ko so de be ya wo mo ti be tumi say say dey aba o ma for system e ti say am no ka say dey tuma je no gusu aya ko fa ya di ani tremo sabro no e na tepa na fa su ya ba be wie e wo mankanto ene ne mpotamo e wa hapo ha sei
yo matemeda se koso adi eche bibia ni ebesa so aba wo nchen ebio yenua Ebenezer Uswansa ana busuafo ye ko ne nchen
awuso yo to nsem no so na nsem amtie na homa no anhyada nyina sokora ewo mu atimete ko chichiro no se wo kwa akoyi sika no ani obetumi abo na mfaaye na amtie adiaba aye ezantrofo nhyemude won fifi mantamu na nhyemude na wo ye no na wo kire mu se wo mo homa no ane na nam asase ase no ekwan ya no Ghana ha ya no nipa binum akwakwate homanim wa abra won mo mamane no na aka ho bia menne wo mo homa no ahyase ya sa wo ye kokora no a na so obi nso kasa wo ne twase ni adeade na nsa ya so nti no Ghana fonfa ncha pa na won mo hwe kwan fa sa adie wo mbefa so na won mo yensiesi mapa ade afa ho oro tedi Hereford akwa wono ana fifi mantem wo technical manager Edema MTN wo won nsemtrofo edinkomo
Ghana Higher Authority, Department of Urban Rules, Municipal Assemblies, we take some form of initiative where we inviting and when the project is at the early stages. Early stages, I mean when they are planning, they let us know that the area Kaswa River or Bay expansion. But won't do me on control, but there, the maybe in Obeshasi, and then maybe in Obeshasi, Kepa Kaswazi, The next meter, we move machines. Was our concrete field that was started excavation all of a sudden. Ghana Highway Authority, easy why you are
I know the message you Chief Corporate Service and Sustainability Officer Adama MTN offers how can you so to Ghana for at a funny pebinua. Woman kwati kwanso ejenko fosika.
Foundation economic empowerment in part of that economic empowerment that your business near present and bit me up one bit this year 2 million Ghana invest support business buy fish mongers so never be one persons with disability education mobile money D 15 years education stakeholder engagement so also can say open open number more if a penny na money panel point say obetimi akọ account na wakako yi sika na ye kan so say onya call bi a wa wonim say call no wonim ni panel ade no bi beka cho say bi to account we say catch omo say omo free MTN o ni say oni omo din kita ho bia na na ye say ye be boy ye ho ban office frosters any omo
I was aware message or fair and night and can MTN Ghana a war and wakasefi.
Abzafo yengina wisu na wie nsema baba no de baba somo no yemfa monsia ne ensore masompa nkomo nsum entoa so ye ne ayesoma wie na na ya abo amale bia boka wie me ni obi ade atwede ne mabo ego ho
akosia je wa kwade aboaten kokwa veronica jando ya grace prosla ye boa eno ache no reverend michael happy and buzi munyina yadamwase oro asante boa benedict woni ensem for panyi ya sorso na sompa nkomo
what you have